Yo guys, what up? It's Sami and I'm back at it again. So, today's video might be a little boring. I'm sorry. Basically, I'm gonna be making spaghetti. Yeah, I'm cooking in here. Why did I say that? Anyways, school got canceled today because apparently there's a dust thing. Apparently there's supposed to be like an ice storm thing, like a 1/4 inch of ice on all the roads. But that's not till like tonight, and literally nothing has happened so far. So that's great, and we already ran out of snow days, so, you know, that's fun. Anyways, I'll rant about that later. I'm home alone, or no, I'm not home alone, my brother's here. But I need to make lunch, because a lot of times I forget, so I figured, oh, why not make spaghetti and really just go for it? And I figured I might as well make a video because, like, I need content. So, win-win. It's the first full video without my braces on, and I'm so happy. Okay, but yeah, let's get started, y'all. Nate on up here. Dear God, okay. Anyways, I need a pot full of water. I'm sorry if like that angle is kind of weird. I don't actually have a lot of good filming places in my kitchen. So like this is my stove, and then like there's the wall here, and then like inside there's like a little indent that I put little decorations on and like salt and pepper. I don't know why, but it's there, and that's what we're making work. I'm gonna get the little like strap for the camera out of the way so like I don't burn my house down. Okay, pot full of water. So water's over here. Oh, I gotta wash my hands because I pet my dog and he's wet, and now my hands smell like wet dog. So okay, let's get started. And my battery's about to die. Yay. Okay, so, I need music. Basically, I got the little red thing at the top of my, like, viewfinder for the camera, but my battery was dying, so I just charged it for, like, 30 minutes. So, yeah, I haven't actually done anything yet. The water is still in the pot. The pot is not hot because I can touch it. Crazy, right? Okay. I'm gonna play some music because I need music. So, yeah, let's get this water boiling, I guess. Okay, we gotta unlock it. Ready? Ah. So now I have like 20 minutes, however long it takes to boil water, to just, I don't know, chill. So, that's cool. So let's have a mini rant, I guess. So as I was talking about before, school. So my school, last week, I believe, yes, it was last week, we had no school Monday, which was the start of the semester. We just had no school because we had a giant snowstorm, which is understandable, you know? And then on, what day was it? Oh yeah. We went back to school Tuesday. That was our first full day. Wednesday, no school because of below freezing temperatures in the polar vortex. Yeah. Thursday, no school. Once again, the polar vortex. Love it a lot. Friday, late start. Why a polar vortex? That was great. Then Monday, we had another late start. Because I think it like snowed during the night and the roads were slippery and it was weird. So yeah, the Tuesday. So yeah, Tuesday, normal day. Normal day, everything's good and great. So that was nice. Wednesday, which is yesterday, normal day. And people are saying that, they're like, yeah, we might have like a late, like, early release tomorrow maybe. Like, maybe an early release. It wasn't like it was gonna, probably wasn't gonna happen, right? Because we're supposed to get like an ice storm or something, or I don't really know. It's supposed to be like freeze over and get like a 1/4 inch of ice on all the roads tonight. And then it turned into, guess what? We're canceling school now. So, psych, you thought. So, we already had to make up a day, or no. Our school has 2 snow days. So we already used one of them on a day where the power went out at the high school. I don't know when it stopped recording, but it did. So that's cool. Yeah, I think I was just talking about like the school schedule. So we had to make over 1,000 minutes for school. So the teachers voted on what to do, and they decided to add 5 minutes to the morning and 5 minutes at the end of the day. So we start 5 minutes earlier and get out 5 minutes later. And we already took away a day off. So that way, if we had another snow day, we would just add on at the end of the year. Oh, and to make everything even better, like just the cherry on top, finals usually scattered throughout like 3 days. So you only had like 2 or 3 finals a day. Well, guess what? Now they're switching to 2 days and we have 4 finals a day. I'm gonna be brain dead. Not even kidding. So that's just great. And now with the extra snow day, I think we have to add a day now, and like there were so many other better options that we could have done instead of like 5 minutes earlier. Like we have a thing called Nest or Flex, and it's just kind of like a study hall almost. That's the best way I can describe it. We should have added the 10 minutes to there. Like the class that is only 30 minutes long, and all the other classes are like 50 about. Like just do that. Like ugh. So high school is going great for me. Yeah. So that's like a little rant right now, I guess. And yeah, still lonely, still, you know, going for it. And I'm not lonely because like I don't have friends. I have friends. I love my friends. It's just like, you know, like it doesn't go away. I don't know what to do. So if you're looking for like a girlfriend, like send me your boyfriend applications. I keep on doing this and that and like trying to be cool, and I'm just really cringy. I'm sorry. Oh, want to see a little OOTD? So we have this University of Alabama sweatshirt from University of Alabama, believe it or not. Yeah, because that's where my brother is gonna go to college. Yay. For pants, there's a card back there. For pants, we have some ripped mom jeans. Look at those rips so you can see my knees. Look away, boys. These are from Target. They're like the Wildflower brand, I think. This belt is from Romwe, I don't know how to pronounce it. I just want the water to, oh, I should probably get like my other ingredients set up, so I'm gonna do that real quick. We got our other 2 ingredients. We have our rotini. I got rotini because like, I don't want basic spaghetti noodles, no. And so we got these little rotinis, I think the little ones I got, maybe not. And then we have the birria. Actually, I don't know that's how you say it. That's how you say it in Spanish, so I'm just going to assume, you know, Italian is similar to Spanish because they're totally the same. And it's just the traditional sauce. So we're getting saucy up in here. I'm so crunchy. Oh, by the way, update just from like the braces vlog. One, I'm sorry that there wasn't a lot of build up to like getting my braces off. Or like once I was in the orthodontist office, it was very quiet and I felt really like awkward and weird, and I didn't want to film while she was doing stuff in my mouth, you know, so I didn't. But my smile, I feel like, is normal now and looks less like a fish that has teeth. So it's cool. Oh, and you know what that is? Retainers that I have to wear full time for 3 weeks. But they're only at night, so that's cool. Guys, I'm a vape god. Phew. Okay, now once the water's boiling, add just like a little bit of oil, just a little tip, and now make sure the noodles don't stick together. Like that. I keep on going like this. I really need to stop. You know what? I'm just gonna add some noodles and hope for the best. Half of the box. I don't know if that was enough. I'm gonna say that's good enough. That definitely was too much pasta. Well, we'll just eat a lot of pasta today, I guess. Oh, so this is like for 2 people, so yeah, it's not just all for me. Who needs a man when you can cook for yourself? Self-sufficient. Watch me not be able to open up the jar. I swear, if I can't open up the jar, I'm gonna have issues. Okay, I have a conspiracy theory just once. We are all familiar with the brand Girl Scouts, correct? Yes. So, I have a conspiracy theory that they are a secret, like, drug cartel, basically. Because, let me tell you. Well, I mean, I guess it's 1 p.m. now. But by the time it was 9 a.m. this morning, I woke up at like 7, I had 4 of these cookies. I've had 1 more since then, so I've kind of like slowed down my roll. Like, these things are addicting. What is in them? They're drugs. I consider them drugs. You get addicted. This is not okay, Girl Scouts. What are you doing? But I love them too, so. Don't judge me. These aren't even my favorite type of cookies, by the way. My favorites are, they used to be called Samoas. I think they're called like Coconut Dreams now or something like that. And Thin Mints. Those are my top 2. I mean, these, they're not bad, but if I could get my favorite, this is my 6th today. That's not okay. Oh, those are still little crispy noodles. We don't want our noodles to be crispy. We want them to be soft and moist. That was one of the most disturbing things I've ever said. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna get like the little strainer ready. Hot, hot, hot. Aren't ready yet. They're still like a little like starchy. Not starchy. Weird inside. A little dry. Uno minuto. Oh, that is hot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, wait. I gotta show you guys this. So, as I was pouring the noodles out, I felt a little splash of extremely hot water go on my ankle. That was fun. I just kind of like ignored it. I'm like, oh, you're fine. Like, I'm fine. Why am I blurry? I don't care. Okay. Well, it turns out I spilled a lot of water. So that's fun. Now I have to go clean that up. We're gonna put that back in the pot. So we need a total of, well, let's start with 1 cup of sauce. That was a great sound. That's such a great sound right there. Okay, I think we did a little bit more than 2 servings of pasta, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more sauce. That might have been more than a little. There's a huge chunk of tomato in there. Like, not about that life. I'm gonna make myself a bowl real quick. Do a little taste test of the video. Alrighty, let's do a test real quick. Tastes like spaghetti. What do you mean? I'm proud of myself for that. All I did was boil noodles, but that doesn't matter. At least I know I can survive college. Alrighty, well then, thank you for tuning in and watching me make pasta. I don't know why you did, but I mean, cool with me. I don't judge. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a like and please subscribe and comment down below. And all that fun stuff. My social media will be in the description box down below if you want to stalk me or something like that. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!